With fall being such a great time for planting, we wanted to concentrate today on, some of the products we use and some of the methods we have for getting new plants established.
Yeah, and not everybody has a nice pile of really good compost blended topsoil to work with when they're planting.
Right.
So one of the things we like to, let people know is, you take the soil that you're working with there, dig it up, and amend it with compost.
Sure.
Compost can be something out of your compost pile or however you acquire it. You can get it a bagged product from us that works well in mixing that in.
And with our heavy clay soils around here, that's going to lighten it up quite a bit and add some nutrient to it.
And speaking of nutrients, you have a packet here.
Yeah, when we put in new shrubs, ornamental grasses, trees, we like to use these 3-year biodegradable packets. And this is going to feed the plant for the next couple of years.
Yeah, it's actually a 3-year slow release fertilizer.
And it's got little tiny holes in the packet, so you just throw these in the hole and just as is, and that'll feed for a couple of seasons. But there's another product that we use too.
Yes, another one is we like to water the plants in with the root starter, the plant starter. And that again is the fertilizer is geared towards root growth and getting it established. But one of the nice things about this that we like is that you mix it with water and you're watering it in. And if nothing else, it gets the customer, especially when you do a repeat application, to get some more water on that plant.
Right, because that's so vital with plants that are new or plants that have been transplanted.
Yes, now, that process of watering not only gives the plant water, but one of the other crucial things about planting is not having any air around the roots.
Right.
And the process of watering settles that soil around the roots and firms it in really well.
Great.
Okay.
So those are just some general good practices for putting in new plants or if you're doing some transplants. So if you've got any questions about the fertilizer, the compost, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Houtung, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.